The heart is an amazing structure, tough yet fragile. A muscle, its network of arteries and veins transport blood through your body, nourishing organs and tissues. When the heart is working as it should, you barely notice it. But when your heart starts aching strangely, you have a cause to worry. Thankfully, you live in a day when heart disease can be treated very successfully, and in some cases the condition can even be reversed. Several home remedies can assist in keeping your heart healthy. 1. Hot drinks. A hot drink may help it to eliminate gas when a person's pain is due to gas or bloating. The hot liquid can also help boost digestion. Some drinks may be better than others in this respect. For example, hibiscus tea has been found to have several benefits beyond helping with bloating. Hibiscus may also play a role in lowering blood pressure and reducing cholesterol. These added benefits may help prevent heart complications. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another home remedy meant to help with acid reflux. People claim that drinking it before or after a meal may prevent acid reflux. Though a popular theory, there is a little evidence to support the claims. Apple cider vinegar has minimal side effects, but people taking blood thinner may want to avoid its use, as it can also thin the blood. 3. Turmeric milk. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that may alleviate pain symptoms in the chest. Turmeric milk combines about a teaspoon of turmeric spice with a cup of warm milk. The mixture should be drunk before bed to help alleviate pain. For long-term use, trusted sources indicate the compound in turmeric can help with preventing heart disease. The spice has also been shown to reduce cholesterol. 4. Curcumin. The substance is found in turmeric and gives the spice its rich yellow color. It offers a bonanza of benefits for the heart. Research shows preventing dangerous blood clots, lowering cholesterol, and reducing inflammation that leads to heart attacks and strokes. It may also guard against heart failure when the heart doesn't pump blood as well as it should. And studies show that curcumin may be as effective as medication and exercise at improving the health of blood vessels. 5. Cayenne or red chilies. Cayenne is used often to spice up curries. The spice has capsaicin, a substance extremely good for the heart. It improves the elasticity of the blood vessels, making your body more healthy. It reduces the risk of clot formation and balances the levels of LDL cholesterol, improving the cardiovascular system and bringing the blood pressure into the normal range. These are the major changes cayenne does in the body.